Fire up your inner furnace with cold. When you step into the freezing water, your body doesn't just shiver. It wakes up. Every cell ignites, burning energy, sharpening focus, and driving your metabolism like a wild engine. Your heart beats faster, circulation improves, and your fat turns into fuel. The cold forces your body to adapt, to grow stronger, to become more efficient. You're not just braving discomfort, you're sculpting a new version of yourself. This isn't about enduring pain, it's about unlocking power. The cold is a mirror, reflecting back your potential. With every plunge, you aren't freezing, you're coming alive. Rejuvenating, transforming,